Hello dear, welcome. Let's discuss the hot questions related to polynomials. Here it is our first hot question, that is higher order thinking question. The statement of this question is verify that the numbers given alongside of the cubic polynomials below are their zeros. Here we are given cubic polynomials, alongside we are given some numbers as well. So we need to verify whether each of these numbers are a zero of the given polynomial or not, and also verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients in each case. That is, again we have relationship between zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. That one also we need to verify, right? So let us do one by one. Okay, here our first one. Okay, so same thing, the polynomial is 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2, and the given numbers are half, 1 and negative 2. Okay, so let us take this is alpha, this is beta, and this is gamma. So we need to check whether this number is 0 of a given cubic polynomial or not. What we have to do is simply we need to substitute the number in the place of variable of the given polynomial. If we get 0, then the number is a 0 of the polynomial, otherwise not. Okay, let's do it. Right, so very first let us give some name to the given polynomial. Let p of x is equals to 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. So first we will check alpha is a alpha, that is half is a 0 of this polynomial or not. First one, p of half, simply we need to substitute x is equals to half. Okay, in all these terms, 2 times of half whole cube plus half whole square minus 5 times of half plus 2. Now on further simplifying this, 2 times of 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, plus 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, minus 5 times of half is 5 upon 2 plus 2. And further here 2 divides 8 4 times, then 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 minus 5 upon 2 plus 2. To sum up these, let us take LCM, that is 4. 4 divides 4 one time, 1 ones are 1, 4 divides 4 one time, 1 ones are 1. Here 2 divides 4 2 times, 2 5s are 10, plus here nothing is there, which means we have to assume there is 1. 1 divides 4 4 times, 4 2s are 8. Now on summing up these all, here we get 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 8 10, 10 minus 10 0, 0 upon 4 0. So we have got 0. So alpha is, that is half is a 0 of the given polynomial, right? Next one, p of 1, that is 2 times of 1 cube plus 1 square minus 5 times of 1 plus 2. 1 cube is 1, 2 times of 1 is 2, 1 square is 1, minus 5 times of 1 is 5 plus 2. And summing up these all, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, 5 minus 5 0. Here also we have got 0. So 1 also the 0 of given polynomial. Now third one, negative 2. Now third one, p of negative 2 is equals to 2 times of negative 2 whole cube plus negative 2 whole square minus 5 times of negative 2 plus 2. Here negative 2 whole cube, 2 cube is 8, negative cube is negative only, so 2 times of negative 8, negative 16. Here negative 2 square, on squaring negative becomes positive, 2 square is 4. Here negative into negative positive, 5 times of 2 10 plus 2. Now on summing up these all, here also 2 times of 2 10, 10 minus 10 0, 0 upon 4 0. So we have got 0. So alpha is, that is half is a 0 of the given polynomial or not. Now on summing up these all, here also These are all positive. 4 plus 10 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 minus 16 0. So this one also what? The 0 of the given polynomial. So what we can say here, hence half comma 1 comma negative 2 are zeros of given polynomial p of x. Okay, so half the part we have completed. Now we need to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Okay, now we know officially these are zeros of this polynomial. Now what are the coefficients here? So on comparing the given polynomial with the cubic polynomial general form, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So here a is equals to 2, b is equals to x square coefficient, that is 1, c is equals to x coefficient, that is negative 5, and d is equals to constant, that is 2. Now we will verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Okay, now verifying the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. We have three relationships between zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. In that, the very first one is sum of zeros and coefficients. First one, sum of zeros and coefficients, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b upon a. This is the relationship between sum of zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. This is first relation. So let us check. LHS side we will substitute zeros, and RHS side we will substitute coefficients. So zeros are alpha is half plus beta is 1, gamma is negative 2 is equals to minus b upon a. Here b is what? B is 1, so minus b, minus 1 upon a 2. Now on summing up this, 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, minus 1 plus half, that is minus half. Okay, so this is implies minus half is equals to minus half. We have got both left hand side and right hand side equal, so which is true. Now the second relation. What is the second relation? The sum and product of zeros taken together and coefficients. Second one, the sum and product of zeros taken together and coefficients. That is alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha is equals to c upon a. This is the relationship between sum and product of zeros taken together and coefficients and its coefficients. So let us substitute the values. Alpha into beta. Here alpha is half, beta is 1. So half into 1 plus beta into gamma, 1 into negative 2 plus gamma into alpha, negative 2 into half. is equals to C upon A. Here what is C? C is negative 5 and A, that is 2. Negative 5 upon 2. Now let us simplify this. 1 into half, half. 1 into negative 2, negative 2. Here 2 divides negative 2 one time. 1 into negative 1, negative 1 is equals to negative 5 upon 2. On summing up these, negative 2, negative 1, together negative 3, half minus negative 3, that is 2 times of negative 3, negative 6, 1 minus 6 is negative 5 upon 2. So negative 5 upon 2 is equals to negative 5 upon 2. Again this is also true. Both left hand side value is equals to right hand side value. So here this relation also verified. Okay. Now finally the third relation. What is the third relation? The third relation is product of zeros and coefficients. That is alpha into beta into gamma is equals to minus d upon a. Here alpha is half, beta is 1, gamma is negative 2 is equals to d. What is d here? D is 2. Negative 2, a is 2. So here 2 divides negative 2 one time, negative 1 time. 1 into negative 1, negative 1. Here 2 divides negative 2, negative 1 time. This is also true. Left hand side, right hand side, both the values are same. So this is also true. So finally what we can conclude? Hence verified. Hence the relationship between zeros and coefficients of the given cubic polynomial also verified. Clear? Shall we discuss once again briefly? Yes? Okay. Here the question is, verify that the numbers given alongside of the cubic polynomials below are their zeros, and also verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Here we are given a cubic polynomial and some numbers. We need to verify whether these are zeros of this cubic polynomial or not. For that we need to substitute in the place of x for the given polynomial. So each number, if we get 0, then that number is a 0 of the given polynomial, otherwise not. Okay, so we have substituted each one and we have got zeros in each case. So hence we can conclude that these given numbers are zeros of given polynomial. Okay, alpha, beta and gamma. And on comparing the given cubic polynomial with its general form, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, that is standard form. Here we have got a, b, c, d. A is 2, b is 1, c is negative 5 and d is 2. Now we have verified the relationship between zeros and coefficients of the cubic polynomial. We have three relations here. First one is sum of zeros and coefficients, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus b upon a. On substituting zeros and coefficients, we have got same values, so hence this relation verified. Similarly, sum and product of zeros taken together and coefficients of 0, that is alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha is equals to c upon a. This is also we have got true. And finally product of zeros and coefficients, that is alpha into beta into gamma equals to minus d upon a. This one also we have got true. So hence the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial for the given cubic polynomial is verified. Clear? This is it.